Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent-in-place specialist and a master instructor. The homes that we have, whether we recently moved into them or we've been in them for a long time, we enjoy them, we like them. It's the home that we want to be our long-term home, our agent-in-place dwelling. But it may not be perfect in every sense. We want to make some changes, some improvements. So where do we begin? Well, there's actually two ways to look at this. One would be what is the most urgent or the most necessary improvement. The second would be what is the least expensive to do? What can we take off of our list quickly? Maybe there's something we can do that's a really inexpensive project, something we can tackle in a few minutes. Doesn't cost very much to do. That's a project that we can put in the win column. That's something that we have done to help our home be better for us. Another would be to look at what is the most egregious aspect of our home. Maybe it's getting in that front door. Maybe the door doesn't open well. Maybe it sticks. Maybe the handle is hard to use. Maybe the steps are annoying for us. It's working with things like that, perhaps, which would be at the top of our list. So we can start with the things that are the most necessary, the most urgent, or we can start with the things that are the easiest in terms of finances to accomplish. Either way, it gets us down the road towards having a more successful agent-in-place home that we can enjoy long term. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.